Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us today. Today we have a wonderful show for you. I think you're going to love it. It's the Vito's Portobello burger. Yeah, what's that? Oh, we're going to show you. You're going to love how this is done. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over to the stove top and we're going to start mixing up our stuff to fry, and then we're going to put all the ingredients together and we're going to stuff our mushrooms and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And you are just going to love this. Then we're going to build a burger, a Portobello vegetarian burger from Vito's Italian Cucina. Put some olive oil in here like so. I'm going to go ahead and toss in the onions, which are shallots. That's right. Put them in just like so. And then the garlic, aglio in Italian, just like so. Oh, I love that. Ooh. And already smells wonderful. Now it's time for me to put in some of these stems from the mushrooms, from the portobellos, just like so. And put a little bit of Italian seasoning in right here, just like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in my spinach, okay? Go ahead and cook this down a little bit, nice and soft. Now it's time for my red sun-dried tomatoes, in like so, and some artichoke hearts. It's going well, guys. It's going well. And we'll go ahead and let this cook. So let me go ahead and turn this off. Okay, it's off now, and the pan is sort of cooling down a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese. Can you see that? Whoop, like this. Nicely blended together. Now, all right, here we go. Okay, before I put this in here, like so, I'm going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese inside here, just like so. Okay, just like that. And a little bit of mozzarella, just like so. Just like that. Okay, we get that all mixed up in there. And then we go ahead and we mix in everything, okay, what we just did. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan, Pecorino Romano cheese right there. And then we go ahead and we mix it up. And we'll go ahead and get our 3 portobellos that we have, okay? Olive oil, some olio d'oliva. And we're going to go ahead and fill the inside like so. Okay, like this. Okay, I'll go ahead and do this like this, guys, so you guys understand this. Using your hands in the kitchen is an Italian thing anyway, so we go ahead and push it like this. Now these are going to go in the oven for 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And in between that, I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of provolone cheese on top with a little bit of breadcrumbs on top of that. Yeah, give it the crunch. Ah, you're going to love it. And here we go. Voila. All right, it's time to put the provolone cheese on top with a little drizzle of breadcrumbs, Italian, that is. Oh my gosh, look at this. As you can see, it looks beautiful. We'll go ahead and put the cheese on top like so. These were cut just for this reason. And we'll put it like this. And then we'll come over, get a little bit of breadcrumbs. Put it back in. And I turned the broiler on there just a little bit to help go ahead and roast the top. All right, it's time to get them out. Let me turn this off. Bring it down. Oh my goodness, look at that. And there they are. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. All right, it's a beautiful thing, ladies and gentlemen. Now I took the buns and I toasted the buns, as you can see. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then this one here is mounted really high. That one there is really for if you don't want a bun. And let's go ahead and build it. What do you say? Okay. So we'll go ahead and put this one here and this one here like that. Okay. I'm going to get my onion. I want to put the onion on the bottom. This is the bottom? Yes, it is. That's it like that. Okay. And then this is the bottom here like this. Okay, just like so. Then I'm going to get this one here. Woo! That is really hot, guys. Now this is the bottom, okay? I'm turning it like this, and then we turn it over like so. Okay. And now I'm going to go over here and get some tomato on top. Tomato on top. And then I'm going to get, look, a little bit of foo-foo, some arugula. Ah, don't you love that? And that goes like right here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous there? And then we'll go ahead and put the bun on top of this one. We're going to go ahead and save that for later. And this one here is, if you don't want a bun on it, you know what I mean? I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half. And then we're going to put it on a beauty plate, presentation plate. And we'll take a look at it. And I can't wait to jump in there. Well, here we are. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, it's Vito's Portobello Vegetarian Burger. That's right. Or you could just have it without the bun. Should I go ahead and take a bite right now? Could be kind of hot, so hang with me. We're going to go in. Ready? Here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's take this one right here. Look at that, guys. I mean, that is just gorgeous. Look at, you got your onion on the bottom. There's your filling, okay? Portobello mushroom, tomato, arugula, and on top of that is the breadcrumb, right? And of course, the bun is toasted. So let me go ahead and take a shot. You ready? Here we go. Whoa. Holy cats. Oh my God, it's bursting with flavor. You guys are going to enjoy this. Wow. I'm sorry. I've got to finish this. Ciao for now from Vito's Italian Cucina. Subscribe, please. Thank you, familia, for joining us. I love it. Ooh. That red onion. Woo. That's enough.